Good morning, students. Yesterday we completed the chapter Let's Know the History. Many parts of that chapter I have already explained you with the first chapter what, where, how and when. As per your textbook, this is the chapter Let's Know the History and we did most of it. Few things were new which I explained it to you. Now we will do the exercises for this chapter. Question 1 is choose the correct alternative and write correct answer, or as you say, multiple choice question. First one. In the ancient time, man used to write on which thing? From the options, you have to choose A. Cloth, B. Paper, C. Inner bark of tree, D. Leather. The correct answer is inner bark of tree. Bark of which tree? Birch tree. If instead of inner bark of tree the option were palm leaves, even that will be the correct answer. But from the given option, the correct answer is option C. Second one. Which of the following is not a source to know history? A. Record. When we say record, it means the stone inscriptions or the metal inscriptions. Those are named record. B. Copper plate. C. Birch bark. D. Vehicle. So from these options, the correct answer is vehicle because vehicle is not a source to know history. Third, which of the following writings last longer? A. Record. B. Writings on paper. C. Writings on clothes. D. Writings on leaves of trees. We still have the record or the stone inscriptions at Ashok Shila Lake. So definitely that's the longest lasting writings. A. Record. Question 2. Answer the following questions in short. First, explain the meaning of BC. BC, before Christ, means years before birth of Jesus Christ. For example, when I say 500 BC, it means 500 years before Jesus Christ was born. Question 2. Explain the meaning of AD. AD, Anno Domini, means years after birth of Jesus Christ. Right now it's 2020 AD, that is 2020 years after the birth of Jesus Christ. Question 3. Which is the oldest coin of India? Answer. Punch-mark coins of 5th BC are the oldest coins of India. Question 4. Which are the sources to know history? The sources to know history are 1. Tadpatra and Bhojpatra, that is palm leaves and birch bark. 2. Inscriptions, engravings on stone or metals. 3. Tamrapatra, that is writings on copper plate. And 4th, coins. Third exercise is match the following. Do not forget how you have to write the match the following. In front of the question, the correct answers are given. The correct option is given. First one is record. It is option E, text engraved on stone or metal. Second, Bhojpatra. Answer C, bark of a birch tree. Third, Tamrapatra. Option D, text engraved on copper plate. BC, before birth of Christ. AD, Anno Domini. I hope it was clear. With this, the first chapter gets over. It was a very small chapter with very small and easy exercises. So in your homework today, you will have to write these exercises in your social fair book. That's it. Enjoy your day.